In today's video, I'm going to show you AirView Pro 4 drone review. Don't buy AirView Pro drone before watching this. The marketing for AirView Pro 4 is dramatic and full of high-end promises. Triple cameras, 6K or 4K UHD video, LiDAR obstacle avoidance, 51-minute flight time, 30 kilometers range, waterproof body, 512 gigabytes, internal storage, all for what's often under $100. Those claims alone should make anyone cautious. Even premium drones from well-known manufacturers rarely combine all those features, and they cost many times more. In reality, multiple independent reviews and investigations describe a very different experience when you order the drone. What most buyers get when they get anything at all is a cheap plastic, toy-class drone. Low-resolution footage, if any. Flight times of maybe 7-12 minutes instead of 50. Weak or absent stabilization. Flaky FPV connection. And no real sensors. No LiDAR, no GPS, no reliable smart flight modes or high-quality camera. Some users have ended up with units that feel fragile, unstable, even in light wind, or sometimes don't fly properly at all. Another major red flag, the online store selling it tends to score very poorly on scam detector services. One of the main official sales sites for AirView Pro 4 gets a suspicious or unsafe or doubtful rating, with obvious signs of risk, newly created domain, strange contact info, high-pressure countdown timer marketing, and no credible transparency. Many customer reviews and testimonials tied to it look fake, often likely AI generated or copied, lacking real photos or verifiable buyer info. It's possible in some lucky cases you receive a working drone that functions about like a cheap toy, fine for indoor fun, learning basic controls or short backyard flights, but expecting anything close to professional drone performance, cinematic footage, or reliable camera or flight features appears to be unrealistic. Bottom line, AirView Pro 4 is not worth buying if you were drawn in by the promo videos or spec sheet. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.